Welcome to Bittersweet Baking. Today we're making apple crisps. I'm joined with Alyssa Myers, and you're gonna learn how to make the best apple crisps you've ever seen your entire life. Look at this crazy apple machine. We're gonna use it to make the best apple crisps you've ever seen.
Once you have all 6 apples peeled and sliced up, you can put them in a dish.
Once the apples are in the bowl, you have to mix up the other ingredients in preparation. After you're done spreading, put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour.
What do you think?
Reptilian. What?
How do you think it looks?
It looks great.
What about you? Yeah? Alright, now review all the taste, please. Taste testing.
Great. Can I get a glass of milk?
Shut
I'm
up.
high maintenance.
I understand your high maintenance, but you also...
Just beat up the side
That's
of the
it.
head
You
with a
had
pint
one
glass.
chance.
It's decadent to drop. You taste it.
Okay, I feel like
then
I'm
you get
unchopped.
milk.
Like, was this made with like lobster
Oh, you're gonna
gloves?
get chopped.